So this is a quick guide on how to use the facial recognition time attendance machine. So now you can see it's on. Make sure you set your time correctly. To set your time, you just go to menu, you click menu, then you scroll down to settings, then you go to basic settings, you click OK, then you go to time and set your time. So the next thing is to start enrolling the user. Just press menu. Once you press the menu, go to employee, click on OK. Employee, okay. Enroll, okay. If you want to use department, you can go and set department first, where department is, but this is the basic step on how to use the machine. Name, click on OK. If you are typing IO is under ABC is under 2, you press A once. If you want to type Y is under 9, you press it 3 times. That's WXY. 1 2 3, that's Y. You can see to press O is under 6, that's MNO, that's 3 times. You press O, that's IO. You press OK. You scroll down to department. If you are setting department, you press OK to push it down. If you want to set admin as number 1, you change it to admin and press OK. If you want to put it under civil, we are going to put it under technical since it's just normal style. You put technical. If you have shift this thing in your office, you can set the shift. If you don't have shift, just click OK. Click next for OK. It will now prompt you to put your face. You press OK. Enroll face. Once you point your face there, you can see I pointed my face now. It will scan my face.
Please keep a little close to the camera.
You say keep a little close to the camera, which I'm doing now. I'm keeping a little close to it.
Please keep more distance from camera.
Keep more distance from camera. That's what I'm doing now.
Please shake your head slightly.
Shake your head slightly.
Thank you.
You can see, thank you. It has taken the finger and the face. If you want to use finger, you go to finger again. You press OK. Enroll finger.
Press finger.
Just press your finger. Put it there. Press it down once. Press it down again.
Thank you.
So you do it twice. You press it down twice. That's all. Okay. If you want to use pin, that's not compulsory. Then you go to save.
Thank you.
Click OK. That's it. So I've enrolled myself now. You can see that the moment I point my face, it will sign me in because I've used face. So I can use face. This second video will show you how to clock in, clock out, and how to read reports from the machine or download it. Everything I'm doing is stated in the manual, so even a novice should be able to operate it. This is the employment registration steps, which I just did in the first video. So this second one now is I've registered as IO. So I can either use my face to clock in like this. You can see I point my face, it will clock me, or I use the finger. So it's because I've signed it now, it will not sign me in again until after 5 minutes. The interval is set to 5 minutes so that it won't be doing repeated clocking in. If you go to menu, you can increase the interval under settings. So now that I've clocked in twice, so let's go and read the report of my clocking today, which is a 3rd of October 2019. So you go to report, you click on OK. Since I'm not downloading it yet, you just go to log query. Go to OK. Am I the one? Because I'm the first person to register. You can see all the times I've clocked in today is showing here. I clocked in first 17:38, 17:37, 17:35, 17:30. So if I'm a normal staff in your company, I will only clock in twice. That's in the morning and in the evening. It will record the both times. So you can increase the interval of this to 5 minutes. So that it won't be doing repeated clocking. You can do that under settings, under menu. Just go to settings and increase the interval to 5 minutes. So to download reports, I've showed you how to check the reports under log query for each staff. You just browse their ID under the report in log query. So to download report, you go to report again. You click on OK. You click on OK to download report. Then you set the time, the period you want to download. Then you insert your flash here on the USB. Now I don't have flash now, this is just a card reader. So once you insert your flash, you click on OK. You can see that it's showing please insert flash. If I insert the flash now, it will download the report, it will convert it to Excel format. That's all. Then another thing is to set admin. You can go to employee. If I want to change myself to admin, you go to employee. The advantage of setting admin is I want to set admin is only admin that will have access to any report on the machine. Staff will just come in and clock out. Just go to browse Under the ID, I don't have more space on my phone again. I'm using an iPhone, so the space is getting filled up. So just go to browse and change ID1 to admin, or register another person and set the person to admin. That's all. It's not hard to operate. So if you have any other issues, you can always call us. We'll get back. We'll explain to you how to use it further. Bye. Last brief video, we just run through how to maybe set the time interval and also to set admin. That's all. So to set the time interval to maybe 5 minutes to avoid repeated verification, just go to menu, go to attendance set, scroll down to attendance set, click on OK. Under the invalid repeat verification, just click on OK. Then you can just increase the time to 5 minutes, click on OK, so that it will avoid staffs trying to clock in repeatedly and logging them in the query. So to set admin, it is important to set admin so that staffs will not have access to the menu or any report, so that they won't go and delete anything there. Their own is to just come in and clock in. So just go to menu. You can either enroll user, but to make this video short, I don't need to enroll new user as admin. I will just go and set myself as admin. I've already registered as IO, so I'll just go to query. I'll scroll down to query under the enroll. That's query there. You click on OK. You can see I'm the only one there because I'm the only one that registered now. I click on OK. I will just go to privilege. I will scroll down to privilege. Okay, query. Sorry, let's go to edit. Go to edit. Okay, this is where we should go to, not query. To query means to search for an ID, but edit means to edit an ID. So I just go, I'm ID1. I just go here, go to department. I click on OK. I will just change myself to admin. I click on OK. Then make sure you set pin for admin, so that in case if the admin is not around, someone else can clock in on his behalf. In case if the admin is not around. So I've set myself to admin, and I'll also go to the privilege, because you can set up to 10 admin. So privilege 2 will be admin, department will be admin, then privilege will be admin. Then you just scroll down and click on OK. So that's just it. I've already set my face already. So the reason why I say you should add pin is that in case if the admin is not around, someone else can use pin to clock in on behalf of the admin, so that you can access reports. Because if the admin is not around and you use only finger and face, nobody can put admin's face or finger on the machine. So let me just scroll down now. So if I want to access menu now, you can see I can't access menu. Say please verify, because I've already set admin. So if I put my face, it will open.
Thank you.
You can see that it has opened. Either my face or my finger, or pin if I set pin. So that's the final video.